Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It is Friday night and my wife called me and said there's something going on in the pig barn, and it is here. So Tinkerbell is giving birth. I will be here to look for the little ones, that they are getting something to drink. Hey guys, so I tried to do the other video with the other camera, but camera died because cold. We got, since of yet, we got a total of 3 little piglets yet. Let me show you the setup. So there they are, 3 little ones. But I don't think she's done yet. Our Tinkerbell has hopefully some more of these little piglets. Let me check if I can. So there they are, our little ones. It's a little bit cold. That's the reason I put the heat lamp both above. But here they are, 3 little purebred Berkshires. So, and we are waiting for the other ones coming out. She's taking a long time tonight. But the good thing is today is Friday and I don't have to work tomorrow, and I have to come here anyways. So here they are. Momo. See who woke up. Huh? With the big boys and Mrs. Lilyfee. It's the big boy, Lilyfee. I think I have to turn on the power in the fence again. Yeah, no food, no nothing? Oh. It's night time. 2:30. So, hopefully Tinkerbell is the next one. Yeah. Oh, you're shivering. You're under the heat lamp, man. Ma'am. Not man. Hmm. Have a drink.